Most people are still writing prompts like they're just texting a friend. If it still takes you a while to make like a simple website, get simple tasks done, you might be prompting wrong. This guide is for how to prompt effectively and how a lot of experts are using it. Zoe is your AI cloud computer that can help you do things and get things done. So here's what's actually missing from your prompts. You should be highlighting who the AI should be with a persona, what you actually want, and constraints. So rule 1 is to define the persona very precisely. Don't just say act as an expert marketer, but instead also define the niche you're in, the industry, what kind of position you are also in, like a growth lead, growth CEO, CMO, and then who your audience is to market. Focusing on enterprise customers, focusing on consumer customers, stuff like that. Rule 2 is to constrain the solution space. When you ask AI just do anything you want, it's gonna look for just a random solution. So you should also add budget limits if you have any, timeline, tool size, tools that you are actually using, and technical constraints. Third one is to specify the output format. So when you say just do this for me, like it just might give you a Word document, it might give you code, there's no way to know. Instead of saying something like give me ideas, say something like give me 3 options in a table with pros, cons, cost, and timeline, and be very explicit about the format with bullet points, tables, briefs. But I know doing this for every single prompt can be super exhausting, so there's a very easy way to do all of this in a skill in Zoe Computer, and this is how it works. So this is my Zoe Computer, and all I'm gonna do is go to the skills tab, and we can see these are all of my installed skills, but we also have a hub of cool skills built by our community, by our team, and you can upload your own as well if you build something really cool and you want to share. So all you need to do is type in prompt improver, click the prompt, and then press install. And then so this is how we're gonna try it out. So I'm gonna prompt my Zoe to just do something very generic for me. I'm gonna say help me market my product. To use a skill in Zoe, just in the chat, all you need to do is press the / and then prompt improver. So now the prompt improver skill is already in the chat, and then all we need to do is press send. So now we can see it gave me this output marketing prompt engineering approach. Want me to build you production grade prompts for generating viral content using 5-element network? Yes. Generate me the prompts. So it finally generated the prompts for me just in the chat. So we're a senior growth marketer with etc. experience, the context of what Zoe Computer is, all of these really specific, great instructions, constraints, and as well as an output format. And this is for creating a viral Twitter content. And then we also have a LinkedIn post generator with the same kind of instructions. We also have a short form video script generator, a weekly content calendar builder, and lastly, a community response template generator. How to use these prompts, all you need to do is copy and paste the entire prompt. You can save them in a doc, an MD file just on your Zoe Computer. But if you want to try these out for your own company, or if you want to do something more related to coding, your industry, product design, etc. And yeah, happy prompting and happy saving money.